I've posted a new song or a new video like this, okay? Pardon me for the absence, okay? So today's video we are looking at one of the Christmas songs we all know, at the Herald Angels Sing, okay? So with this particular song we are in the key of F, but I want to say that if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video like this, you'll be one of the first to get it, okay? So let's dive into the song. So the song I'm doing it in the key of F, okay? So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. The same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, like that, okay? So let's dive in. I start off like this chord, the 1 chord. Okay, this is a normal do. Alright, to the 2. To the 3, okay, the 1 over the 4, to the 5, all over the 4, okay, one more time, okay, there's a 3 chord, then we do this. See, the melody is here. Glory to, okay, the glory to, glory to. You see, we hit it 3 times. I don't want to stay in one particular chord progression, okay, like this. Okay, so that's why I did it. Okay, so I did this first. This is the C, G, and B flat. Over the 1 to the 6. Okay, the 6, I'm doing the D and the B flat, all maintaining the 1, okay? So then I hit the B flat, okay, over the 1 still, okay? But this time we are doing the 7th chord, okay? The 7th chord, I'm voicing it the E and the B flat, okay? Okay, so one more time. Slowing it down so that even if I don't mention the notes, you can be able to see it, okay? So one more time. The same thing again, but something will change here. Then here we do this. Okay, the 5 over the 3. The 3, I'm doing the A, E, and G. Then this is a normal 5 chord, okay? Okay, then to the 6, the 5 over the 6. Okay, so then, okay, this one. So this is more of like flat 5, but just that it has the G in it, okay? So I'm doing the G, B, D, F. Then I'm flipping from the D to the E, okay? Okay, so then I do a source chord here, okay? Then we will come back, okay? So one more time. Okay, so let's start the verse again. Then they will start the other parts, the the 4. Okay, you can do it like this. Okay, just add the more. Okay, okay, so most of the time when I'm playing the tour, I do most of it like this. Okay, so okay, the same approach to the 2. Okay, then this, yes, so that is the D, A. Right hand is doing the C, D, F sharp, and A to the 2. Then here there's a trick here. Okay, do you see my left hand? So then 6, 7, then you can make it this. Okay, so but the second time it will change. This time we are ending it. You see, instead of the 6, we are doing it over the 5. 4 over the 5, then to the 7 to the 1. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in another video. Bye.